Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Speaking Hub. In this video, we'll just have an overview of IELTS speaking. So, let's start. Before learning speaking, it is important to know how IELTS speaking scores are calculated. So, these scores are calculated using 4 criteria. First among them is fluency and coherence, which means how clear and structured is your speech. So, to increase your scores for this, there are 4 things to keep in mind. Connect your sentences by linking words and sign points. Extend your answers, add all the relevant details, speak smoothly and continuously, use pausing correctly. The second one is lexical resource, which means how good is your vocabulary. So, to increase score for this, use a wide range of vocabulary, discuss different topics freely using appropriate words, speak formally or semi-formally, choose words accurately, use idiomatic language. The third one and most important is pronunciation, which means how naturally you sound. To increase your scores for pronunciation, pronounce words as clearly as possible. Record your speech and work on the words that you spell incorrectly. Stress words and sentences correctly. Use correct intonations. Try to be easily understood by the examiner. Last but not the least is grammatical range and accuracy, which means how good is your grammar. To increase your score for GRA, avoid grammatical mistakes. Try to use more advanced grammatical structures, that is, passive voice, direct speech, different tenses, and conditional sentences, etc. Let's know what is the pattern of IELTS speaking test. The speaking test will take between 11 to 14 minutes. It will have 3 sections. In part 1, there will be questions about yourself, family, work, study, or hobbies. For example, where are you from? Do you work or study? What are your hobbies? Describe your family. What are your future plans, etc. In second part, you will be given a topic card or cue card with 3 points to talk about. You will have 1 minute to prepare speaking points and 1 to 2 minutes to speak continuously, addressing all parts of the task. Make sure to cover all the questions of cue cards. For example, describe an advertisement that you remember. What is it? When and where you saw it? What happens in it? In third part, you have a longer discussion on the topic. The examiner will ask you further questions connected to topic in part 2. So here are some examples of third part questions related to the cue card advertisement. So there will be questions like, where usually do we see adverts? Are any advertisement at school? Do you think it is bad for children? What do you think is the purpose of advertisements? What kind of advertisement do you like the most? I hope that this video has helped you to get some general ideas about IELTS speaking. So, in the next videos, I will be giving some kind of bonus words, or you can say some kind of words that will be helpful for you in the IELTS speaking as well as in other modules. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for recent updates. And thanks to all for watching this video, and happy learning, guys.